Kani kay LG mo.
This one,
Kani kay nindo to quality basta LG.
pilot. Kanit pero.
So this is 7 kilograms and 7,995. Nag-sale day sila. Naka-save ng 3,000. Mo nang tag-10K day nino. Na, naka-timing ka. Ang kani. Same no, pero mas better good kung LG. So, kana na lang. Atong labandera. Labandera ni Ate Jasmine niya. Okay na kanilang ka. Kani nga color.
Night free yun, night free. Ayun flat.
Free de? Ano free?
Masa?
Free lang siya.
Naka-save na, naka-free forget. Okay, sige, final. Okay, lalangga.
Yes, te.
Ah, sige na, pang love everyday.
Nanate plan.
Pat yun judas ko kinitiyan. Weekly na lang. Sige. Kanilang, sir. Salamat. Sige, sir. Salamat. Thank you. 709.50. Okay na? So, we bought already the laundry machine given by okay, so that is from Kim Yong Sunim and Chaji Hunim. Kim Yong Sunim, Chaji Hunim. Samnida. Maramog na promotional dito. So, this is the receipt. So, 7,950. It's because we have a discount. And we also have the freebies, which is the flat iron. So, here is now. So, it will be delivered today. So, we will be waiting this laundry machine at the house already. Bye-bye! 안녕하세요. So, we are here at the Jollibee. We already bought the washing machine from Kim Yong Sunim and Cha Ji-Nim. So, we are now having our lunch. And this is from Kim Yong Sunim. Mani Mogo. Seksahaseyo. Okay naman lang. So, this is the total of our Jollibee. Because they said that they are so hungry, so they ordered each 2 orders. We have burger steak, also the chicken. And Jasmine has her palabok also, chicken and burger steak. Kadagahan. Ikaw na ito. Asa mo natin yung butang ang cellphone?
Suko na po kanina. Thank you, ma'am.
550. Thank you, sir. Ay, luso mo din. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jasmine.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so you have now the change here for the Jollibee 972. So you will be having the change 38 for the 1,000 pesos. Please go count lang.
38.
38, okay. So, also, you have the change for the 10,000 pesos. So, the washing machine is 7,950. And also for the delivery fee, 550. And also for the melting and including with the transportation, which is already 350. So, you have the change 900. This ko lang ha. 900 10 20 32. So here 932. So please ko count lang kung 932 ba. Sakto na. Okay, so we will be waiting for the response of sir if you will keep the money or we will bring it back to sir, ha? So, anang just kuan lang, be notify if ever maingon ko unsa instruction ni sir, okay? But ikaw lang mo keep na, okay ra? So,
Kim Yong-sa님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for the
감사합니다.
laundry machine and for having lunch.
감사합니다 for our laundry machine.
안녕하세요. 영수님, 뚜껑하는 오키 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Good evening, class. Alright, so today is what date? May
25.
and it's
Birthday.
it's Ella's birthday. So we will sing for Ella, and but before that, Ella will say something.
I want to say thank you to Kim Byung-yong name, Las Vegas name, and Mactan Wife channel. Yeah.
So in that case, we will sing happy birthday for Ella. 1, 2, 3. So Ella, blow your wish first and then blow your candle. Wish ako na. And blow your candles. Yay! So you have foods there. So Ella will gonna kanang kuan share the food. So go, you start eating na.
Ma, saan mo ba? Pagkaon.